Okay, so did you know that even AI needs a house? With AI and artificial intelligence, there is the need for what is called data centers. And then these data centers are where, of course, all of the information are going to be stored. And then these data centers are going to be need powered. They're going to need power going to them to power them to ensure that they are running effectively and efficiently. And then the most important thing of them all is that these data centers are going to be in a house, in a building. They're not going to be just on the road side. They're going to have a building in which they are going to be domiciled. And that is why I say even AI needs a house. And that is one of the reasons why I decided to play in the housing and real estate space because I believe that even with the new technology and every technology that's going to come after that, they're going to need a place to stay.